Today we're gonna try ChefNurse
baked bangus
and baked chicken.
These are the frozen bangus. In English, they're called milkfish.
Now we're gonna pop them into the oven to reheat.
It's gonna be hot, so I cannot open it. It's hot, 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 hot. Oh.
Now we're gonna reheat red pesto baked chicken. Parang ang bigat-bigat.
We have two flavors of We have two flavors of baked bangus.
We have red pesto and green pesto. The ingredients for green pesto baked bangus are boneless bangus, basil, parsley, cashews, cheese, vinegar, garlic, sugar, and salt.
It
That's
smells
good
like garlic.
No, there's no garlic.
There is garlic.
There is? Oh. There's good basil, and that's fishy. Get it? If there's a fishy. The cheese I can really smell.
The green one I can smell it because it's like saltless.
Saltless. The top looks like pizza.
Yeah, it looks cheesy. I can smell the cheese inside. Wow. Very good. Now we're gonna taste.
Whoa, there's... It's so juicy. You can see, there's like,
I want to put rice.
So good. I can taste the basil. It's so juicy, so good, so fishy. Get it?
Oh.
Delicioso. I can really taste the basil. It's like fresh basil. Just
How is it, Tyler?
Good. I like the cheese, not the fish. So I just like the fish. I just took off the cheese sauce so I can eat the cheese. And there's bone.
That's not bone, that's basil.
now we're gonna try the red pesto bangus. The ingredients for red pesto bangus are boneless bangus, sun-dried tomatoes, olive oil, cashews, cheese, vinegar, garlic, sugar, and salt.
It smells like pizza.
I was gonna say that. Yeah, it does smell like pizza. I was also gonna say that.
Bagal mo.
What? This is like a fancy restaurant.
I want it like this from the straight and then do like this.
You want the whole thing?
And then just cut it here, Naomi.
I'm so excited for this one. I am so jealous of Ty. He got the good part that I wanted. It also tastes like pizza. Pizza. It's like we're in the fancy restaurant.
I only like this one, so there's cheese inside.
There's cheese on both of them.
Is it good?
I just want to keep eating.
Oh, I just want to keep eating.
I'm still hungry.
Hey, that's our ulam.
Gonna put rice.
You want rice? There you go.
Me too.
Here.
Kain na kayo dyan.
The rice makes it less salty. It really goes well with rice. Super good. Gaya gaya.
Mga Pilipino talaga kayo, no? Obi, which one do you like better?
I like both.
Both taste good?
Yeah, because this one looks like it's like for this one's for fancy restaurant, and this
No,
one
this
looks
one's
like from a crazy restaurant. This one's like for kids, and this one's like for adults.
How about you, Tyler? You like the red pesto more? Charlie, which one do you like better?
I like the red pesto better. The flavor is more kid friendly. This fish looks so lonely. This fish looks hyper. Yeah. It's great for lunch and dinner. Yeah, and we don't even have to cook it. We just reheat. It only took like 10 minutes to reheat. That's cool.
If mommy is too lazy to cook, we just pop it in the oven.
And then we have lunch.
We still have to taste the chicken.
It's like
I got the beef salad, boy. The ingredients for red pesto baked chicken are chicken, sun-dried tomatoes, olive oil, heavy cream, cashews, cheese, garlic, vinegar, sugar, and salt.
it smells the same as the red pesto bangus. I love it. This one is for kids and adults. This will go well with rice too.
I can keep eating and eating this.
It's so good that like the outer part, the skin, is like for for kids and adults, and then the inner part is like it's so good. I want to eat everything.
Then
No,
want
it's our
me to
lunch.
cook. Yeah.
Don't forget to like our video
And share it with your friends.
and subscribe to support Filipino products. We still need to chase the chicken, guys.
What cheese?
Wait.
Taste!
We still need to chase the chicken.